Hi, welcome to my channel. It is 7:30 here in Montevideo and I'm nearly ready to start my trip to Punta Ballena, finishing my God-blessed morning coffee and ready to check out that location. Let's go. Actually, I decided to go to Punta Ballena because of Casapueblo. I really want to see it. I've read that Casapueblo was created by an Uruguayan artist and it was the work of his life. He actually lived and worked in this building, which makes me think the whole place must feel really authentic, like a true reflection of his personality. So my plan is to start at Playa Solanas, then stop by a small viewpoint called Vista de Punta Ballena on the way towards the center of Punta Ballena. After that, I will visit Casapueblo and finally I will head up to the main viewpoint of the town, the Ballena inside.
I got extremely cold and that's why I need to make a break to be able to drive again, but good news is that it stopped raining and there are only approximately 10 kilometers left, so soon I will be near.
Well, the drive turned out to be a bit intense and on top of it the hotel I originally booked was closed when I got there. So now I'm heading to a different one, just hoping that this one's actually open and everything works out. So here I am on Playa Solanas. Gorgeous. I really like this part of the shore, in between Piriápolis and Montevideo. Very beautiful. Oh look, I even can see Casapueblo there, the shore. Ah, cutie! Okay, so now I'm ready to go to my next stop, which will be Vista de Punta Ballena. Let's go. So I arrived to the viewpoint. Well, it looks like a very expensive area to live in actually, but the view is good. Okay, I'm in Casapueblo. There are so many tourists here. Okay, I will definitely get inside, but I'm not so sure I want to spend a lot of time here. Well, I've left Casapueblo quite soon. There were so many tourists and I had a small walk there, but actually it just looked like a fancy hotel with a fancy restaurant, so I don't know. I expected more of that location. Now I want to see the viewpoint. Oh my god! Wow! This is hands down the most stunning nature I've seen in Europe so far. So fiercely oceanic, absolutely breathtaking. Honestly, I don't even have words for that. Just enjoy the view.
Just stay with me home. Every day is like a holiday. Sleeping if you won't sit, relax, unwind and keep this so that I noticed the weight of the world got you homeless. Nothing's greater, nothing's better.
So I am back in the hotel now. I hope you enjoyed the ride. This location surprised me a lot. Tomorrow I'm going to see more viewpoints here, but that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye.